When your Toshiba portable air conditioner stops blowing cold air, two main culprits are usually to blame: dirty air filters and refrigerant issues. Here's a typical Toshiba portable air conditioner. The two most common reasons it stops cooling effectively are dirty air filters and refrigerant problems. Air filters are the number one cause of cooling problems. This heavily dust-laden filter shows what happens when maintenance is neglected. Check your filters every 2 weeks during heavy use periods. To clean the filter properly, remove it carefully, wash with lukewarm water and mild detergent, then ensure it's completely dry before reinstalling. Never put a damp filter back in the unit. If the filter shows signs of damage or excessive wear, replace it entirely rather than trying to clean it. Refrigerant problems are more serious. This frozen evaporator coil covered in thick ice is a clear sign of refrigerant issues. Other warning signs include hissing sounds, reduced cooling, and the unit running constantly. Important: refrigerant work requires EPA certification. You cannot legally handle refrigerant yourself. Contact a certified technician for leak detection, system recharge, and pressure testing. Technicians use specialized leak detection equipment like this to identify refrigerant leaks accurately. This ensures proper diagnosis and repair of your air conditioning system. Remember, you can handle filter maintenance yourself, but always call certified professionals for any refrigerant-related problems. This approach ensures both safety and proper repair. Now let's ensure your Toshiba air conditioner is operating properly by checking the cooling mode, exhaust system, and ventilation. First, verify your air conditioner is set to cooling mode. Check that the unit is set to cool and the temperature setting is significantly lower than your current room temperature. Next, inspect the exhaust hose installation. The exhaust hose must be properly connected, free from kinks or bends, and completely unobstructed to allow hot air to escape efficiently. Proper ventilation is crucial for efficient cooling. Ensure adequate clearance around the unit, keep air inlets and outlets unblocked, and position the unit away from heat sources and direct sunlight. Finally, remember these essential operation tips. Keep all windows and doors closed while the air conditioner runs, and regularly drain the water tank to prevent overflow and maintain optimal performance.